Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, we're going to be looking at Shakepay and we're going to show you exactly how long it takes to cash out your funds. So let's say that you wanted to convert some money into Fiat and bring it back to your bank account. I'm going to show you how long that takes and what the process is for how to do that. Now, as you can see, I've already got a substantial amount of Fiat in this account. And what I'm going to do is just send it to my bank account via e-transfer. So here is the date and time. It's April 6th at 12:17 p.m. So I'm going to click send and I'm going to do an e-transfer, Interact e-transfer. And this is free, by the way. In fact, all these are free. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the amount that I'm going to send. So in this case, I'm going to put 1100 and I'll just put a note to myself for Shakepay and I'm going to click send. Okay. So what it's going to show here is it's going to show the amount, it's going to show my email, and then it's going to have the security question and answer that I will need when I deposit this into my bank account. And so I'm going to click send. Okay, and now the balance has been reflected with the new amount. Let's pop into the email here and we'll see how long that this takes. All right, so it's 12:19 and so this took just about a minute, and you can see here that the e-transfer has been automatically deposited and it's been deposited right into my bank account, and it's taken just about a minute for Shakepay to do that. So I hope this video is helpful and shows you how easily it is if you want to, get your money back from Shakepay, how easily and how quickly you can do that and have that into your bank account. Now, I have it set up so it's automatically deposited. E-transfers to that email address are automatically deposited. You may have it so that you don't have it. You may need to put in the security question and answer in order to manually deposit it. It just depends on how you have your personal bank settings set up. All right, so I hope this video is helpful. And if you're interested in Shakepay, check out this video here because this is going to go into 12 crazy things that you don't know about Shakepay, but you should. And it was a lot of fun making this video. I hope you enjoy it. Check it out.